Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Home Depot account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in homedepot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Home Depot website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on the Me icon at the same location and then click on Profile. This will then take you into your profile page. Now from this page, if you look at the left section, you will see the account settings menu where you will also see security and password. Go ahead and click on it and now you will see your sign in details section. You can click on sign in with a password instead if you have other options that are set for your login. Click on yes continue. And now you will see the edit button alongside your password. Just click on this button and you will be asked to enter your desired new password. Type in your desired new password within the given box and then click on the Save Changes button. And you will now be able to use this new password along with your original email address to log into your Home Depot account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Home Depot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.